Germany's parliament has passed new immigration reforms that would make it easier for skilled workers to come from abroad to work. Experts say Germany has a massive shortage of skilled workers and needs hundreds of thousands more each year to fill the gaps. The new law eases the requirements workers currently need to meet to migrate to Germany. It also makes it easier for workers to bring their families and to apply for long-term residency.
In this short video, I'm going to explain to you how you and your family can easily relocate to Germany, which is regarded as the economic superhouse of Europa. If you move to Germany under this program in just 3 years, you will qualify to apply for the German permanent visa. You will be able to take your children will be able to access health and deduction free of charge because German Y is part of the European Union, and therefore you will be able to travel around the 27 countries that make up the EU, such as France, Spain, Belgium, the Netherlands, and all the EU countries. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to move to Germany, which is regarded as one of the most advanced and richest countries in the world. What do you need to do in order for you to move to Germany? It's simple. I will explain that. Help you legally migrate abroad without needing to spend money on lawyers on agent. There is no substitute to information. How you can easily get the 6 points, which is the minimum you need in order to go to Germany, and this time around Germany doesn't care whether you are a graduate or a vocation. As long as you have a skill that you can offer the country, you are good to go. In Germany is currently facing severe labor shortage. There are currently 1.8 million job vacancies in Germany which have not been filled, so this is the easiest time to move to Germany, and this is one of the easiest pathway that you can use. Migrate in 2024. The German Opportunity Card, the portal will open from the 1st of June, which is less than 3 days from today. You are an engineer, you are a plumber, electrician, mechanic. As long as you have 2 years experience, German has something for you. So I'm going to quickly show you now how you can easily migrate to Germany and how you calculate your point. If you're seeing value for this content, please consider subscribing to this channel. Share this content with anyone that you know that is looking to migrate abroad. So what we're going to do now, we're going to check whether we have enough point before we apply. So the first thing we do, we're going to click on here, so click on Start. Have you completed vocational training of at least 2 years duration or obtained a university degree? I am going to click University Degree Obtained. How many years of experience do you have in this profession? I am going to click 2 to 5 years. Did you complete your vocational training or university degree in one of the following areas? I am going to click Information Technology. Do you live in one of the following countries? I am going to click India. How well do you speak German? I am going to click Not at all. How well do you speak English? I am going to click Fluent. Please state your current age in years. I am going to put 34. Have you stayed in Germany for at least 6 months during the last 5 years? Not including tourist stays. I am going to click No. Do you have a spouse who has similar professional and language experience to you and would also like to apply for an opportunity card? I am going to click Yes. Do you have sufficient financial means to secure your livelihood? At least 12,324 euros per person. I am going to click Yes. Finish the chance and card check now and get your score. Please submit your email address. Congratulations! Your answers add up to 6 points. This probably qualifies you for the opportunity card. That is to get you to convert your certificate to get it in German. You can use this website called Anabin, that is the database that you can use to evaluate your qualification to German startup. Once you have done this, you will then get a certificate of recognition. That is what you need for you to proceed. So you check first that you go this way above. Once you go to a number of, the next thing you can do is to check that your certificate without your mechanic from whatever occupation that you have. You must use this database to evaluate it, to make sure that it is recognized. Go online. There are a lot of videos on how to use Beam to evaluate your international qualification. Watch a lot of videos on YouTube. See how to do it. Once you've done this, you've got a certificate of recognition that your qualification is recognized in Germany. You are good to go. That is all you need to do. The next thing you can do to make the journey easier. Remember, one way you can go to Germany, we need to show proof of form is by having a job offer from Germany. Without a job is part-time or full-time. It doesn't matter as long as you can show that you already got a job like that in Germany. You do not need to have approval for you can move to Germany straight away. So this website, I'm going to show you this website is a very, very good website when it comes to looking for a job in Germany. This website, it's one of the best websites where you can look for a job in Germany. It's called English Job in Germany. Let me show you. This is the website. I'll leave it in the description section for you. He's got English Job in Germany and all the jobs on this website. They advertise in English. Once you get a job, you are good to go. Say, for instance, you're looking for a job as a big-time analyst. You put data analyst where you're looking for a job. In this case, I'll just rebelling here because Berlin is one of the most cosmopolitan part of Germany. Let's check and see what comes up. As you can see, loads of jobs comments. Remember, we're just put whatever qualification or whatever occupation you have put it on this website. It will search for a job for you in German. I'm going to search it for you, not show you if you've seen value for what you've had so far. Please consider subscribing to this channel. We want to help as many people as possible to legally migrate in 2024 without needing to spend money on lawyers. Remember, information is the key, and that is one of the load problems giving you. So this is the job. As you know, the time is yet another time. If you want to apply for this, as you can just tell, you want to say this 1 and 2 years plus experience in production development of digital product. If you want to apply for this job, all you need to do is to click on here. It will take you to the website and you will apply for this job. Very, very simple. No hard at all. As you can see it, that is how you can easily apply for this job in Germany. We're going to look for a job, not as a construction worker. So we put construction work here, and we put again, we're going to put Bellingcat. Once we're going to go to set all these jobs that you've seen here. These are construction work job in Germany. So say for instance you want to apply for this one. Remember all you need. We need this one job. Once we have a one job in general without full-time or part-time, that means you can go to Germany. This is job that's been advertised in Germany. That means that you will not have to show up tomorrow, for that is all you need to know. This is a great opportunity for you to migrate your family to Germany, and after 3 years of living and working in Germany, once you have what I mean, you will be able to apply for permanent resident and you'll be able to take your extended family in Germany. This is a fantastic opportunity at a time when the UK or other countries are making it hard to apply. Grant to moving Germany means give me want. You have to take this opportunity to share this video with anyone that you know. You do not need to have a university degree as long as you have a qualification and you only need 2 years experience. What are you, a plumber, mechanic, welder, nurse aide? As long as you have 2 years experience, you are good to go. This is a fantastic opportunity for you and your family to migrate to Germany, which is regarded as the economic powerhouse of Europe. Make sure you take this opportunity and you move with your family to Germany. Don't waste this opportunity. Share this video with your family and friends. Leave your comment in the comments. I will always respond. Make sure you show appreciation to myself by giving this video a like. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon.